Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage and update Python packages in Anaconda, whether you are using the Anaconda Navigator or the command prompt. So let's get started. So the first method is using Anaconda Navigator. So first we need to open the Navigator by clicking on the start menu, and then we can open the Anaconda Navigator. So the next step is we need to head to the environments tab on the left, and then we need to click it, and here we will see the base environment and any custom environments you have created. So I'm selecting the base environment. Then the next step is to update a package. Then we need to click this drop down that says installed, and we'll find options such as installed, not installed, updatable, selected, all. We need to click on updatable. Then we need to select the packages you want to update, and then you need to click apply to update. So over here all the packages are selected, but if I'll update all the packages at once, it will take some time. So I've selected the first package, and now let me click on apply. So this will update this package. So now we need to again click on apply. So it is updating this package. The second method is using Anaconda Prompt or the terminals. So first we need to check installed packages by writing Conda list. So this will show all packages in the current environment, and the current environment is base. So let us see what are all the installed packages in the base environment. So these are the installed packages in this base environment. If we want to update a particular package, we need to write conda update. Let's say I want to update pandas, so I'll write conda update pandas. So we have successfully updated pandas library. So now if we want to update all the packages at once, what we can do is we can write conda update all. So it will update all the packages, but it will take some time. And another thing is that we need to make sure that we are in the current environment, and if we want to change the environment, we can write conda activate the name of the other environment. So in my case, I have two environments, base environment and the my en. So I have changed my environment from base to my environment. And that's it. Managing and updating packages in Anaconda is super easy, whether you use the GUI or the terminal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.